By now, everyone understands that crypto has a gigantic future. However, no crypto company is doping as much to secure crypto's future as Ripple. What exactly is Ripple doing? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out. But first, we are giving away 50 XRP coins at the end of the month to one random subscriber to start on their XRP journey. All you need to do is to like the video, subscribe and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comment section. Welcome back XRP Army. The establishment of a new central bank digital currency, CBDC, project, the intensification of regulatory and legislative discussions, and the increased acceptance of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology by established institutions all contributed to the continued expansion of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology into traditional financial markets in 2021. A continuous influx of new entrants into the market, as well as more tolerance for crypto developments and increased utility, are all projected for 2022, according to Ripple's leadership, among other things. APAC and MENA Managing Director Brooks Entwistle cites to recent CBDC initiatives that have been linked to national real-time payment systems in order to enhance the payment rails in order to illustrate his thesis. He argues that as a result of the decision, more activity will be seen in RippleNet's on-demand liquidity, ODL, solution in 2022, which might lead to additional growth for the company's on-demand liquidity, ODL, solution in the future. While remittances will continue to be a key use case, we can expect other applications to rise to the fore, such as trade flow or treasury management, said Entwistle. One notable example is that the pandemic has highlighted the shortcomings of both domestic and international financial systems, as remittances to low and middle-income countries have increased significantly in recent years, placing additional strain on an already overburdened cross-border payment infrastructure. By the way, did you know about these developments? Let us know in the comment section down below. Beyond these advances, the cryptocurrency sector has been marked by continued development and maturity in the debate of new applications for blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, as well as by the rapid emergence of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, in 2021, among other things. The mainstream adoption of NFTs has, in general, demonstrated that blockchain and cryptocurrency can be used for commercial purposes for the first time, and as a result of this widespread adoption, Ripple's $250 million Creator Fund has been able to build new features and communities on top of the blockchain and cryptocurrency technology. There is no question that non-traditional technology, NFT, firms will be successful in this field. But, in order for this to happen, the infrastructure must be able to satisfy consumer and creative demand. In the words of David Schwartz, Chief Technology Officer of NFT, the key to the company's long-term success would be creating a seamless user experience for mainstream consumers and retailers alike. Comment, XRP Army, if you believe Ripple is doing the best it can. As Monica Long, the general manager of Ripple X, puts out, technological developments in other areas, like as decentralized finance, DeFi, can also contribute to the widespread adoption of NFTs, moving them from their current status as collectibles to the mainstream. According to the current indications, these technological hurdles will help to underline the significance of cross-chain interoperability in order to meet the rising demand for services from developers, at least for the foreseeable future. According to the World Bank, as a result of the rapid rise in popularity of non-financial companies, NFTs, and business development companies, BDCs, as well as interest from traditional financial institutions in cryptocurrency, regulators are expected to play an increasingly important role in the cryptocurrency market by 2022. The company is busier than anybody else in defining the future of Bitcoin, even when it comes to critical crypto lobbying. The amount spent on crypto lobbying in the United States increased by 116% in 2021, according to a new study, increasing the total amount spent on lobbying to $9.56 million US. The sum spent in the 21st century was $4.9 million US, more than double the amount spent in the previous century, $2.3 million. That the crypto and blockchain industries, which are unquestionably global in scope but unquestionably centered in the United States, are taking concerns about cryptocurrency regulation in the United States seriously demonstrates that the crypto and blockchain industries are taking concerns about cryptocurrency regulation in the United States very seriously. There is concern among some that the Biden administration could still regulate cryptocurrency into a very tight and difficult corner this year, while others are concerned about how those in power perceive crypto mining's environmental impact as well as the ability of decentralized finance to disrupt traditional financial models. In the halls of American power, although there are considerable voices in support of cryptocurrencies, there are also big voices in opposition to it, notably among certain senators and Treasury officials in the United States. Perhaps all of the lobbying has had a beneficial effect after all. Data from the research and government transparency organization Open Secrets was used to complete the study, which revealed how much money crypto corporations have spent on lobbying in the United States, as well as which ones spent the most money. Crypto Head, a crypto analytics company, completed the study using data gathered from Open Secrets. According to the findings of the study, Ripple Labs, the creator of the permissionless payment system and cryptocurrency XRP, has been the most active cryptocurrency firm in the United States during the preceding 5 years, incurring lobbying expenses of almost $2 million United States dollars. Several claims are made in the report, which was shared with Stockhead, including the assertion that Ripple Labs is possibly the most influential cryptocurrency company in the United States when it comes to influencing government policy and regulation. Given the fact that Ripple Labs has been mired in a protracted legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States for more than a year, this is very noteworthy. The SEC filed a lawsuit against the company in late 2020, and the company has been unable to recover. A $1.3 billion United States dollars unregistered securities offering of XRP is being probed by the authorities, according to the charges of the regulators. Pretty interesting, right? In addition to these companies, the crypto-enabled stock trading program Robinhood, the industry supporters group Blockchain Association, the crypto exchange giant Coinbase, and the cryptocurrency-focused company Block have all expressed interest in lobbying. One of them is EOSIO, the firm that developed the blockchain and the EOS digital currency. Statisticians have determined that Coinbase was the most costly lobbying firm for the blockchain industry in 2021. With charges totaling more than $1.3 million United States dollars. What do you think about Ripple's future? Do you think it will be the leading crypto? Let us know in the comment section. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have got 2 videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.